Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to shadow effect in Camtasia. So import your media first. I'm showing you such the basic tutorial. Okay, you just see how it works. Now you have to drag and drop here on the timeline, and now click on this visual effects. Now scroll down a bit, and you'll find here drop shadow. Click on drop shadow and drag it to the here. Okay, I'm making small to show it better. Now if you click on this offset, you can see the color. The shadow color is black, so you can make it to green, green shadow, or like this. Now if you click on this offset, you can see this, and the opacity full, and the offset is here. And if you change this color to green, you can see the shadow here is green. If you can change this blue, you can see the shadow here is blue. Okay, yellow, the yellow shadow is here. Okay, I'm showing you such a basic thing. You can do it more with these settings with different types of video or animations. Okay guys, so this is how you can basically do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.